No, that's fine. I'm not gonna sit. I won't be here that long.
Okay, we're rolling.
All right, guys. Quick weather briefing for everybody on what's happening and what we're preparing for this evening. First of all, you know, we're early in the season, so we all need to kind of be on our toes and ready. We're going to have watches and warnings we're dealing with today. Watch just means conditions are favorable. Warning means something's happening. And we've got watches out so far for our northern counties. I would expect they'll be expanded southward as we work our way through the afternoon and the threat builds in this direction. Right now, it's just the northern tier counties that border Virginia that have been under watch. We've already had severe thunderstorms roll across Virginia. Central Virginia, the threat was strong winds, and we expect the same threat. The storms have been moving at an unusually high speed. That high speed of 75 miles per hour, that's the kind of storms that sneak up on people. Most of our storms that we deal with run at like 20, 30 miles an hour, and people have time to kind of prepare and know what's coming. But early in the season, they can sometimes move a lot faster. And when they move at 75, people will say, I did not know that was coming. That caught me by surprise. So that's going to be a case that some people are going to have to deal with today that haven't been paying attention to the weather. Our storm threat for our coverage area is mainly going to be from 5 o'clock, maybe a few minutes before 5 in our northwesternmost counties, up until about 8:30 now, it looks like on our southeastern side, when everything will roll through the threat. We will see it in the heart of the triad, I believe, somewhere between 6 and 7, maybe even as late as 7:30 to 8 o'clock. But 6 to 7 is a window of time that I think we're going to be busiest. The threat for winds is very high. The threat for hail is actually lower. We still could get some hail in the storms. We also do have a tornado threat. It's not a very high tornado threat, but it is higher than it was this morning. They did bump our chances for everything up from a slight risk to an enhanced risk today. And basically what that means is coverage will be a little bit greater for severe weather. Intensity may be a little bit greater. And those are things we're watching for. Once we get past 8:30, 9 o'clock tonight, we should be in good shape. And at 10 o'clock, we'll probably be showing video of damage. Any wind damage and things like that have come through the area. And then we get ready for colder weather. We'll get progressively colder. And then a real big story is going to be, the end of the week is going to be freeze threat and all the crops and plants that have already been in bloom that are going to be suffering. Any questions?